So the first thing you need to do, guys, to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet is you need to open the app on your phone. Okay, open the app, and then you want to just want to enter the code. You want to open the Trust Wallet app. So I have opened it, as you can see. So what you need to do, guys, after you open the app, after you open your Trust Wallet app, you want to click here. As you can, these small lions in the top right, click on them, and then you want to search for USDT. Okay, this is it. You want to select the first one. This is it. You want to click on receive, and this is your USDT wallet address. You want to copy it. So after you copy this, then you want to go to your Binance app or the web version, doesn't matter, and then you want to search for Binance. Or if you are using Binance app, you can just open your Binance app so that you can you can then transfer USDT from Binance to your Trust Wallet. I'm just going to log into my Binance account, and then you want to click in the top right. You want to click on Wallet, click on Fiat and Spot. So after, guys, you click on Fiat and Spot, you want to scroll down a little bit, and you want to find here USDT. You want to search for USDT. As you can see, this is it, USDT, and next to it you will say withdraw in the action section. Click on withdraw next to it, and here you want to paste the address that you have copied from Trust Wallet, and where it says here network. Let me just find your network here. Let me just see the network. That is for example, Polygon. Okay, you want to select Polygon, but make sure you select the correct network, because this is very important. Okay, you want to select the correct network so that you won't have any problem. Okay, now the amount, you want to select here the amount, for example 1, and then you want to click on withdraw. So that's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Like I said, make sure you select the correct network, otherwise your funds will be lost. Okay, so you want to select the correct network, guys. You want to go to Trust Wallet and see supported networks. See you guys next.